Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a Singaporean style fish sambal. Before checking out the ingredients, let's first marinate the fish. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and some salt, and mix all the ingredients and apply it on the fish pieces. Let it get marinated for an hour. Now let's check out the ingredients. We need 3 onions roughly chopped, some curry leaves, 3 green chillies and 1 large tomato roughly chopped, 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of tamarind water, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's get started. Take a pan on a medium flame. Add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated fish pieces to it. Fry it for about 5 minutes. You can just shallow fry it. No need of deep frying it. Just fry the fish pieces only for about 5 minutes. Do not over fry it. As we are going to put these fish pieces into the sambal which we are going to prepare, it will get cooked completely at that time. Once the fish pieces are fried well, remove it and keep it aside. To the same pan, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And then add the roughly chopped onions and saute it till it changes its color slightly. For this recipe, the onions have to be crunchy, so do not overcook it. Now once the color of the onions get changed, add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Now add some curry leaves. Then add the chopped tomato and green chili to it and give it a quick mix. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix it well. Now add about half a teaspoon of salt to it. And then add about 1 cup of tamarind water and mix it well. Now close and leave it for about 5 minutes. Now our gravy is almost ready. Finally add the fried fish pieces into the gravy and mix it slowly so that the fish pieces do not break. Now close and leave it on a low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes until the gravy slightly thickens. Now our Singaporean style fish sambal is ready to be served. Hope you all like my recipe. Try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you would love it. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting instant updates. Thank you all for watching.